Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 2 different ways to open up tabs on your Finder application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Finder application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to the Find application, and now the first way to open up a tab on screen would be to navigate to the top right corner of the screen, and there we see the plus sign. If I click this once, the Finder tab on screen, click this again, create a new tab. Let's now close these tabs. The second way to open up a Finder tab is to navigate to the top menu, File. Let's now click on New Tab, and this will open up another tab. Go back to File, New Tab, and there we go. Let's now close these tabs off. Quit Finder. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.